matter. Yes, though you're going to get some knowledge, but then I have to appreciate you because you had some other things to work on. But then you decided to come on this interesting Zoom meeting. All right. 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 Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Someone to put on the mic and tell me. Or maybe in the chat, you can type in the chat. Am I audible enough and my screen is visible? Guys, I'm not here alone. Okay. David Tendo has answered. Okay, all right. So let's move on now to our lesson. Our lesson is here. Yes, today, as I've told you, we shall be looking at how CryptoFlowBot has been in existence, how it has been performing, and why do you need CryptoFlowBot to trade cryptocurrencies. And before that, knowing the reason to why you should need CryptoFlowBot, you should have also to know what is cryptocurrency in general. So allow me start by saying that let me first give you a review about CryptoFlowBot. So we can see that CryptoFlowBot is a fully automated trading bot or maybe trading system trusted by 15,000. Meaning, hello, am I audible?
Yes.
All right. So I was saying that this is a fully automated crypto trading system trusted by 15,000 plus traders worldwide. And this is a credit. Me, I give it a credit because if you can see some other people, more than 15,000 who are traders, they are using this CryptoFlowBot. It means it is doing a great work to those traders. Then as we can continue, we can see that it is a 24/7 execution. Nothing that you do when you have this CryptoFlowBot, nothing you're going to do. It sits on the market 24/7, according to even Wanji? Hello? Please, if you enter into the meeting, just switch off your mic. Switch off your mics. Guys, switch off your mics, okay? All right. Let me think my screen is visible also. So I was like, it trades 24/7 execution, meaning nothing that you're going to do. Yeah, it can trade for you from Monday to Friday, from Monday to Monday, day and night. Even though you're busy, even though you don't have time to go on charts, it can help you in that and trade for you, thus making some good profits. Then we have inbuilt risk management. Yeah, recently we saw Bitcoin dropping. It dropped seriously. Yes, and other traders were maybe thinking that their capital will be stripped off, as we have been seeing it before. But then CryptoFlowBot has been able to maintain us within the market as our capital is not affected. And that is also a credit. And on the other hand, they are telling you that and an 85% plus win rate. Hello? Guys. Hey. So as you can see, as I was telling you that it has 85 and plus win rate. I think in A level or maybe when you're at campus, this is an A plus. So a system that is having an A plus means it is a tested and proven system. The system that can give you 85% win rate, that is the system that you can trust with your money and you make more profits. Then they are telling you that it is powered by AI. As you know, AI, artificial intelligence, it is very accurate, more than human beings. Anyways, let us know the basics now, because now I've shown you the tool, or I've told you about the tool that you use in cryptocurrency trading. Now let us see what is cryptocurrency in general? Yes, cryptocurrency is a digital market that exists only on the internet. So that's where the confusion now coming from. So there are people are going to ask you, how can something be on the internet and you can make money from it? So here, the good example that I can give you is maybe like an airtime. Airtime is something that exists, but then you can't touch it. Yes, it can exist on your phone. You can use it to call people, but then you cannot feel it, or maybe you cannot touch it. So cryptocurrencies, this is digital money. This is something that you can't touch and feel, but then they have told you that it exists on the internet. So it is there on the internet. You can't feel it, but then that is money that you can transact and make some good money from that money on the internet. Anyways, unlike traditional currencies controlled by governments and banks. So when we come here, when they tell you that unlike traditional currencies we have now, like Ghana shillings, naira, or maybe the dollar, as you can touch it and feel it. That is the traditional currency that may be talking about. Then they are telling you that these are controlled by banks and maybe the governments, because there is no one who can print money. Me myself, I can't, and I know, and I know none of you can do that. So meaning these are controlled by governments and the banks. So they are telling you that crypto operates on decentralized technology called blockchain. So they can be traced on internet, but not the government or maybe a bank to control this crypto. A transparent, tamper-proof. So meaning you're not going to lose anything when you're investing in cryptocurrency trading, or maybe if you're investing in cryptocurrency. Anyways, here down they have broken it down. As you can see, digital currency, it means money you can send, receive, and store entirely online. All right. Sorry for interruption. So as I was telling you that, maybe let me enlarge more. So here it is now broken down. So as you can see, digital currency, this is the money you can send, receive, and store entirely online. So meaning this is the money that you can send to someone. Meaning cryptocurrency. This is the money, or digital currency. This is the money that you can send and maybe receive. Someone in America can send me Bitcoin, can send me Ethereum, can send me those are all digital currencies. Can send me USDT using his phone, and that USDT reaches me here in Uganda. Now, if you enter into the meeting, just mute yourself. Why you guys not muting yourselves? So I was still explaining that this is money that you can send, receive, and store entirely online. Through online, you can send your money, or maybe you can receive it from someone, and you make a good transaction on online. No bank account needed. Examples, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. There are very many, but these are just examples. So meaning you don't need any bank account. You don't need someone to intervene in between. It is you, the buyer, or maybe the seller, that will connect and get that digital money. As I've told you as an example, that someone in America, someone in Dubai, someone in Qatar can send his Bitcoin, can send her Bitcoin, can send her Solana, can send her USDT from there very far to here in Uganda, and you receive your digital currency without any interruption. I think that is done. Then we have decentralized. No single government or bank controls it. Transactions happen directly between people, as I've been telling you. Decentralized, like this is as they told you that this is an online thing. So no one will intervene. Even the banks or the governments will not intervene. That's the reason to why it has been long for the government to realize that they can tax cryptocurrencies. Why? They are not intervened within the transactions that we made. So it is kind of difficult for them to track those transactions. So here, that's the reason to why they are saying that no single government or bank controls it. Transactions happen directly between people, between you, the guys that understand this, and anywhere in the world, as I told you, maybe in Qatar, USA, France, where China, someone can send you cryptocurrency and you get it. And then they are telling you they are 24/7. So meaning you won't be able to. For you guys who always keep your money at the bank, you have to go with an ATM, maybe go in the bank, make a line, hold on. But here, no, like at any time you wish to get your money, at any time you feel like you're getting your digital currency, you can get it as long as you need it, and someone who is responsible maybe to give it to you is also available. So we have many people, as I told you here up, that we have all over 15,000 and plus. So there are very many. Then we have growing market. The global crypto market has grown from zero, oh, this is amazing, to over 2 trillion. Wow. Let me repeat this. Growing market, the global crypto market has grown from zero to over $2 trillion in just 15 years. Early adopters have seen extraordinary returns. Wow, this is amazing. So it means that this is also your chance to start now. If you haven't started anything about this, it's also your chance to start. You know why? Guys, mute yourselves. Hey, going to be rude. So I'm on this point being growing market. The market has grown. You turn someone off, turns on. No, is K2, please. I'm going to remove you from this meeting if you're not serious. Hey. Anyways, I was still elaborating more about this growing market. The global crypto market has gone from $0, like $0, to over $2 trillion in just 15 days. This is really amazing because in just a period of 15 years, to see that the crypto market has grown from zero, meaning from grass to $2 trillion, that is amazing. So meaning many people are now engaging into crypto industry, and that is very wow. Early adopters have seen extraordinary returns. So if you know you are new here also, or maybe you're someone who has been inspired by someone maybe to enter into crypto, this is the right time for you to go and register and start this crypto business. Why? Because they are telling you that early adapters, meaning if I was also an early adapter, because I told you I have experience of now 2 years within this market. So since also I'm also in need, but I'm not early adapter, but the earlier you come, the more you benefit. I think you have seen that. Then when we go to historical concept, the growth, because you can be asking yourself, here this guy is telling us about gross market, what, but then he's not telling us where, or maybe it is. We can see that it came from $0 to something like 2 trillion. Now, how did that come in? Anyways, as we can see, we have this, that the growth of crypto. We have started now to see the growth of crypto. Now are these guys in the meeting? You guys, mute yourselves. If you're here, and mute. You maybe I'm not audible. Am I audible? You guys, am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. So why are these guys making noise? Anyways, when we can go back to the growth of crypto, as we can see that Bitcoin started at less than $0.01. Oh, in 2009, Bitcoin started at less than $0.01 in 2009. Wow. Today it trades above $78,000. Wow, this is massive. So meaning it has kept on growing from 0.01 to something like 78,000, which is something which is great, because this shows up that many people have been now into this space since 2009 up to date. Then as we can see, those who recognize the opportunity build generational wealth. Wow. So meaning you're also not late, because this is not just a time thing. Nara. It is just a generational thing. If you can see that Bitcoin started at 0.01 in 2009, and its growth has been to 78,000, and they are telling that those who recognize the opportunity early due to generational wealth, meaning that people have kept on building their wealth on a like on slow pace, until now they are seeing through the system, and they are still generating more and more and more. I think you're getting my point. So meaning that if you can also start now, by 2035, by 2050, you will be a billionaire of yourself. You will have created the wealth that you needed. Anyways, as we can see that in 2009 it started at $0.001. Then in 2013 it came to 1,000. Yes, it was growing. Just imagine from 2009 to 2013, it had grown to $1,000. Then in 2017, we saw it at 20,000. Then in 2021, we saw it at 69,000. Then in 2026, we saw it at 78,000, which is not bad, because as we can see, Bitcoin was created in 2009. Then first major spike on 2013. Then it had mainstream attention. Then this is where people started in now coming. The institutions, the big people, the investors came in 2017, because as you can see, this is a real rise in the price. Yeah, from 1,000 to 20,000. This is massive. Then all-time high, it was in 2021. Then in 2026, institutional adoption. So many people have now come into crypto. The institutions, the banks, they're all now investing in the crypto. That's why the Bitcoin is now gaining the more momentum to go high and high and high. Meaning, if you start today, you will create that tomorrow. Anyways, the question is not whether crypto will grow, it is whether you will participate in it, in that growth. That is this question is psychological. As you can hear, the question is not whether crypto will grow. That shouldn't be your worry. But then it should be, it is whether you will participate in that growth. So let it be in your mind. Anyways, let us now go to understanding the marketplace. Yes, people can say, now you have talked about Bitcoin, Solana, the Ethereum. Where can we find it? So your answer is here. The crypto exchange is an online marketplace where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. So in Mofunds, or maybe in short terms, this is like a market. As you can see, I've gone to Owino. I need this. You need more than one product. Maybe you need pineapple, you need the orange, you need what, but you have now gone to a marketplace. So here, cryptocurrencies or maybe crypto exchanges include these markets, or maybe they include This is where this is an online marketplace, as I've told you, where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a forex bureau, but for digital asset, for digital currencies, and it operates 24/7 from your phone. So meaning these markets, or maybe when you want to buy or sell or maybe trade cryptocurrencies, you can do it 24/7 without resting. Maybe if you want from Monday to Monday, it is ever open. So our marketplaces are ever open. They are not like forex bureaus or what. So first and foremost, the first market that we need is Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. So meaning many people adopted cryptocurrency or maybe started using cryptocurrency trading or maybe started selling and buying cryptocurrencies from Binance. So meaning this is the most trusted, most used or most marketplace that very big people or maybe large numbers of traders use to trade or maybe to sell and buy cryptocurrencies. So trusted by over 300 million users globally. This is something which is big because 300 million people, these are very many. It offers this Binance offers spot. If you want to do spot trading, we shall see what is spot trading. Then if you want margin, it is also okay. Then and futures trading with a deep liquidity and low fees. So we shall break this. I will break this spot and futures, even leverage trading. I'll be mentioning them here down. So be here, be nowhere. So we have, when you're using when we are using CryptoFlow bot, we can now buy or sell maybe or trade cryptocurrencies within Binance and the Bybit. So on the Bybit side, they are telling us that this is a fast growing exchanger or maybe exchange known for powerful trading tools, a clean interface, and strong security, popular among both beginners and professional traders. So it is also worldwide. So that's what I was telling you, maybe, that these things are worldwide. So they are telling you that Bybit and Binance, they are now most commonly used apps or maybe exchanges that you can use to trade cryptocurrencies. So we have that CryptoFlow bot connects directly to Binance and Bybit via secure API. Your money stays in your exchange account at all times. So I want to elaborate more about this statement. If someone tells you that CryptoFlow bot connects directly to your Binance, CryptoFlow bot connects directly to your Binance, meaning this CryptoFlow bot is connected to your Binance account or maybe Bybit account through API or maybe via secure API. Secure API. Yes. So this is like when you're having your phone and you want to play music through a woofer, you have to connect through a Bluetooth. So here, for CryptoFlow bot to read your amount or maybe to read your balance for it to trade for you, you have to connect it through API, which acts as a Bluetooth this side. I think you have got my points, you guys. Then your money stays in your exchange account at all times. You don't need to send someone. You don't need to send your money to someone. Your money remains in your control. You can withdraw at any time, you can deposit at any time, you can trade on your cell phone at any time. So your money remains in your hands. I think you guys have got, and this is a powerful point because many people have lost their money just because their money leaves their exchange. So don't dare sending your money to someone, maybe to something that can knock your money for a certain period of time. Just leave your money on Binance, connect the CryptoFlow bot, and start trading, making money the easy way. So as we can drop here down, they are telling us to understanding more about trading. What is crypto trading? We have seen what is cryptocurrency. Now we have gone to crypto trading. So here, in summary, crypto trading is the act of buying and selling digital currencies to make a profit from price movements. So here, as you can see, trading, this is buying and selling, meaning we buy cryptocurrencies when they are low, or maybe as we are going to break them down, then we buy them and sell them to make some good profits through price movements. I will explain. Then price go up and down consistently. So these are the markets, and the people, they are very many that do cryptocurrency trading. So others are withdrawing, others are putting in money. So that's the reason to why prices keep on up, down, up, down. So meaning the price can't go down forever and it can't go up forever. It has to come back down, then at the same time come back up at the same time. That is why that's the reason to why we say prices go up and down consistently. Trades can by buying low and selling high. Yes, you can buy low to sell high for you to make some good profits. As you can see, these usual businesses, the physical businesses that we have, we always buy products on a low price for us to maybe to sell them at a higher price to make some profits. So this is the same case within here. Just because this is just done 24/7, while relaxing, while sleeping, we keep on making money. That's the only difference. And or by using strategies that profits from both directions. As we shall see in futures trading, it is where we make profits in both directions, whether the market is going up, whether the market is going down. And Crypto Flow Bot is here to make that work very simple for us. So as we can see, spot trading here. What does spot trading mean? Because we have seen that we have spot trading and futures trading. So what does spot trading mean? These guys who put on mics. Nanga. These guys who put on mics. So as we can see that in spot trading, we buy crypto at the current price and sell when it goes higher. So meaning here, when you're doing spot trading, you only buy and wait for the price to go up, as we have seen, then for you to make some good profits from that pair that you have been maybe trading. Then like buying gold and selling when the price rises. Let us say that you have maybe bought gold at 1,000 and it has risen to 100 to 1,050. You can sell and make that profit. Then when we go back, I'm just summarizing you guys. Then when we go to futures trading, we have these trade contracts that let you profit. When you go to futures trading, trade contracts that let you profit from price movements without owning the assets. You can profit whether the market goes up or down. Here, in the simple terms, in futures trading, you can make profits whether the market is going up or maybe when the market is going down. And here, the money that you're using, the money you're using, you can use a borrowed money. Yeah, the system can borrow you the money and you trade using someone's money. Then after making the profits, you remain with the profits. But here, the most important thing, it is like you make profits while the market is going up, or maybe you can make profits when the market is going down. Then we have privileged trading. Multiply your trading power with privilege, like e.g. 3x to 5x. As an example, a $100 trade with 3x privilege controls 300 worth of crypto. So meaning here, if you put the privilege, if you put a privilege of 3x, meaning the system will borrow you 200. So if you're using 100 and you put in 3x, you'll be as someone who is trading using 300 as the capital within the system. So this makes the simple this makes the trading very easy and can help you privilege your amount. Maybe if you have $100, you can privilege it to 300, or maybe to 500, and you trade as someone who is owning that asset, but in actual sense you are having only $100. Then as we can scroll down, we have the opportunity comparison. Yeah, now here we now going to compare the opportunity we have and other opportunities outside there. So here first question is, why crypto trading? Yeah, that's the first question. Why crypto trading? So compared to traditional businesses, crypto trading offers unique advantages that make it one of the most accessible income opportunities in the digital age. So here we are comparing the traditional way of making money, or maybe the traditional way of making the business, and the current way of making money. So here's the reason why do you need to start cryptocurrency trading. First and foremost, we shall compare from this a border business. UGX, the border business ranges from 3 to 8 million startup. Daily fuel costs, repairs, weather weather risks, physical danger, limited hours. Meaning, when you're doing a border business, you start up with high amount of money, like 3 million to 8 million as a startup capital. Then you have to put in fuel costs daily. We have repairs, we have weather risks, rain, sunshine, over new risks. And then physical danger like accidents or what. Then limited hours of working, because you will be able maybe to work from 7 a.m. to 6 maybe p.m., or maybe to some other time, but not late at night. So that is also the risks involved in border business. Then we have tax business. UGX, like to buy a taxi, you need at least 15 to 30 million and plus for a vehicle. Then we have insurance, license, depreciation. Then we have fuel, traffic, limited to the local areas. So meaning you'll be having a business, but not giving you the freedom that you need. You invest in much, 15 to 30 and plus. That is very, very much money. Then if you add up to insurances, licenses, depreciation, fuel, traffic, so all those factors, they are now going to tell you that crypto can be started and you can do it. Then we have shop or retail shop, or retail store, where we have monthly rent, 200K to 1 million. Then we have inventory costs. Then we have theft risks. Anytime things can be stolen. Then it requires physical presence, or a day you have to be there at your shop or what. Then limited customers without making any money. So when we come back to crypto trading, we have start with a little as $50. Start with a little as $50. When you put it in Ugandan shillings, here in Uganda, $50 are equaling to 180,000 only. Yes, so meaning this is kind of cheaper than a usual business that you know, like a border taxi business or shop. Yeah, they have told you that start with as little as $50, just maybe 180,000. Then there is no rent, no fuel, no employees. This is flexible, because you don't need to rent the room that you are living in right now. It is the same room that you're going to use to trade cryptocurrency, and no fuel. You don't have to fuel the crypto business. Then there is no employees. I don't need anyone to be there. Then works 24/7. Whether you're sleeping, whether you're enjoying at the beach, whether you're in the hotel, whether you sleep, whether you do what, or whether you're in the youth farm, whether you're at the office, it remains on working 24/7 without resting. Even while you sleep, yes, at night it remains at work. So this is not a limiting factor. Yes, like as we have seen here, that these guys have limited time to perfect their business that Then we have operate from your phone anywhere. Yes, just using your phone. Nothing else. You just need your phone. No physical risk or location limits. So here, when someone tells you about no physical risk, it means that no one will maybe there's no like accident, or maybe someone destroying your business, or maybe like no any physical risk. It is improved. Or maybe location limits. Whether you're in Kampala, whether you're in Dubai, whether you're in Qatar, whether you're in Nigeria, you can see do the business and it goes on very well. Then it is global market, not local economy. So as we have seen the other side, that there's no customers. But here, customers are the market is globally, the worldwide. So you can access market worldwide. Then as we can see, skills without extra overhead. So there's nothing else that you need to put in. If you have started with this, you can either add on or maybe leave this little capital to work for you. So as I'm summarizing, because I see the time is going, then getting started. How do I start cryptocurrency trading? So now we have seen cryptocurrencies, we have seen the exchanges, we have seen what we do into spot trading or maybe futures trading, leveraging. We have all seen those. We have compared the physical businesses with this cryptocurrency. Now, you can be asking yourself, how can I start? Getting started in crypto trading is simpler than most of people think. You don't need a degree, don't need a license or million of shillings. Here's what you need. This is interesting. So getting started is very simple. You don't need a degree. Oba wasoma, oba tewasoma, or whether you went to school or not, you can still do crypto. Then you don't need any license. Yes, no any license, no extra expenses. So you don't need millions of shillings, or maybe, but you need more money much money to start the business. We start with what you have. 50 and above, you'll be able to start a business. So as we can see, first material or first tool that you need to start cryptocurrency trading is a smartphone. That's the number one. Any modern smartphone with internet access, Android or iPhone, both work perfectly. Yeah, so if you're not using your iPhone, you can use whichever phone that you are owning. Yeah, or let's say it is a Tecno, it is a Samsung, it is a Pixel, it is what, you can still use that, the same phone that you're having, and start trading. Then an exchange account, register on Binance or Bybit. It is free. Yeah, when you're registering, the system is for free. The exchanger is for free. Then it takes 5 minutes and requires basic ID verification. Yeah, your ID must be valid to use this crypto exchange account, Binance or maybe Bybit. So you need your ID to register, and registration is for free and can take around 5 minutes, the registration process to be covered. Then we have starting capital. You as a beginner, you will need as little as $50. Deposit funds into your into your exchange account via mobile money, bank transfer, or maybe P2P. So it is all over you, whichever method that you want to use. Yeah, as I told you, the money remains in your control on Binance account. So to deposit on the Binance account, we have to deposit their USDTs. So to make this simpler, you can use your mobile money, or maybe bank transfer, or maybe P2P. Someone will guide you and get to nange utukoze iki. Then that is starting capital. You just need $50 to start up. Then basic knowledge, understanding what you are doing matters. This presentation is your first step, and the Crypto Flow bot simplifies the rest. Hey, let me repeat this. Guys, allow me repeat this statement. Understanding what you're doing matters. This presentation is your first step. So if you haven't started cryptocurrency trading, this is your first step. Yeah, if you have heard about this presentation, or maybe if you're present on this presentation, or maybe if you're watching us from YouTube, this is your first step. And the crypto flow board simplifies the rest. So you don't need more knowledge about cryptocurrency trading. You don't need anything like maybe technical analysis or what. Everything is going to be done by crypto flow bot. So you leave each and everything for crypto flow bot to perfect it. So we have the clearing misconceptions. Yes, those myths, common fears and myths. You guys, okay, you will taking over Dichi. So allow me maybe chase away the fear or myths that you know about crypto. Yes, when some people hear about something called crypto, maybe he thinks or he thinks that maybe it is a scam, or maybe it is not working out, or maybe it is what. But let us now clear the air. So we have, before moving forward, let us address the most common concerns people have about crypto trading. Then we have crypto is a scam, as I told you. Guys have that fear or maybe the myth. They think, allow me speak. If you reach here, just mute yourself. Yes, if you reach here, just mute yourself. So we have something like people. Yes, it has been in their head, or maybe they had it somewhere that crypto is a scam. But I'm here to clarify this, that crypto itself is a legitimate technology adopted by the governments, banks, and Fortune 500 companies. So something being attached to the banks, something being attached to the governments, something being attached to the some companies, big companies, 500 and plus companies trusting the crypto, meaning that's itself rubs away the word scam within the crypto space. So scams exist in every industry. The key is choosing regulated platforms like Binance and Bybit. So this is also a great information for you to know. Yes, it is okay. Oh, we all know or we all understand that scams do exist within the industries. So someone can come here and tell you, this project is from crypto and you can invest and get this. Okay, like it's a return on investment, or maybe you bring money and we trade for you. Those scams are there. They can't be. They can't. You can't end that. It is there. But then it is all about you to choose the regulated platforms like Binance and Bybit, where your money is going to stay. No one will have access to it, or no one will maybe withdraw without your consent. So it is only you and your phone knowing the balance and maybe how you're going to do your transactions using your Bybit or Binance account. Another thing, we have the fear of people have lost everything. Yes. uh, Losses happen from emotional and structured trading. Structured systems with risk management dramatically reduce this. That's exactly what crypto flow provides. So here, why people lose their money? It's because of the emotions. Yes, there are people who come into this market and maybe they feel what is made by crypto flow bot, maybe, or maybe the trading tool that we are using, it is not maybe making it perfect, and they want to intervene themselves. And maybe when you enter the trade and you see it is going against you and you cross it emotionally, there you will lose money. So just leave each and everything for the robot, because it has risk management, it is emotional free. So leave everything to the robot. It will provide the best of the work. Then we have, it's too complicated for me. Yes. We have another issue of fear or myth, that it is too complicated. Many people think that crypto is very complicated. You can't start those things and it may be earned. Oh, no, no, no. You can take a lot of time, but here I'm telling you that sending a mobile money transfer seemed complicated once too. Sending your money. Guys, you mute yourselves. Mute yourselves, please. Mute. Hey, Katonda wange. Mute yourselves. Anyways, I was still clarifying about this. Sending a mobile money transfer seemed too complicated. Yes. Crypto trading with automated bot is designed to be simple. The bot handles the hard part. So the hard part is left to the crypto flow bot, and you do a simplest work. Yes, get someone who has invited you to this meeting to guide you through on how you can put your money on Binance and maybe transfer it to crypto flow to he shows, or maybe you connect he helps you in connecting a crypto flow bot with Binance account, or maybe to Bybit account through API. Then another complicated part that you think it is complicated, it will be done by crypto flow bot. So then we have, is it even legal? Yes, other people are asking themselves, is cryptocurrency trading illegal? Is cryptocurrency legal? So we have that crypto trading is illegal in most countries. Exchanges like Binance operate under regulatory frameworks. Always check your local regulatory for compliance. Here in Uganda, yeah, Binance is working very well, and most of the African countries, Binance is working very well, and even other Asian countries or what, they also Binance is working very well. So it is a good idea for you to use Binance when you access cryptocurrency. So I think those myths and fears are now wiped out from your brain. If you want to make money, you have to be here. So we have something like two approaches. So we have approaches how we go buy and sell these cryptocurrencies. Then we have those approaches how we go into the market. Yes, we have manual versus automatic trading. These are the two ways to participate in crypto market. Understanding the difference is the key, choosing the right approach for your lifestyle. So we have manual side and we have automated side. So I will compare them and you see which one you can take. So when we go back to the side of manual trading, we have let me enlarge. We have sit in front of charts for hours daily. You have to be on charts. For manual trading, it is kind of complicated. That's why I told you that you have to leave the complicated part. Maybe if you feel like they are complicated, you leave it to the bot to do it for itself, because it is an AI. So it is facing the AI, it's facing the technology. We have in manual trading, we have sit in front of charts for hours daily. So it is like a daily routine. You have to come on, see and measure, and you look at fundamentals and get the entries. You mute yourselves. You mute yourselves. Next time, K2, I'm going to remove you. K2, next time, the good thing you have gone. Then we have another thing, analyze markets yourselves consistently. You have to analyze. You don't have to maybe to spend your time without maybe on being on charts or what. You don't have that freedom. You have to stay on charts and you analyze the market, execute every trade by hand. You have to do each and everything by yourself. So meaning this won't give you the freedom that we're talking about that we're having in crypto. This won't give you the time to go and work upon other works that you're having, or maybe you're entitled to do. So this keeps you on one thing, focused on crypto trading. Emotional decisions lead to mistakes. Yes, as I told you, you can see a trade may be going against you, and you maybe think this is a loss, and you cross that trade and you make a loss. Those are the mistakes that we're talking about. Missed opportunities while sleeping. Yes, we know each and every woman has to rest. So when time of resting reaches, you have to go in bed and rest. So while you're resting, the markets are also moving. So you will find that you have missed some opportunities, maybe some entries to make money, to make more money, and you start maybe regretting yourself. And requires years of learning. You need at least 1+ years to learn and be sure that you can now go into money trading and you trade. Then now let us now compare it to automated trading. Both monitors markets 24/7 for you, which is very good, because if something can monitor the market 24/7 without resting, because this is an AI that is going to sit on the market for 24/7. Yes, as long as you have connected it to exchanger, it will sit there, or while you're sleeping, or maybe you're cheating, or maybe you're in free time. It will be there 24/7 monitoring the market. AI analyzes opportunities in real time. Yes, within the real time, within the real entrance, within the real opportunities, it is ever there like this, and it is waiting for a real opportunity to drop in and takes the trade, which is a credit to automated trading. Then trades execute automatically, instantly. You don't need to do anything. This is amazing. That's why I told you, you have to leave each and everything for the robot to do it for itself. So uh, the trades are executed automatically. You don't need to go back now to execute the trades. Nara, over even if you're sleeping, even if you're at work, even if you're where, trades will keep on executing themselves instantly without doing anything. Emotional free, discipline driven decisions. Yes, here beats human. This bot, maybe automated trading beats out the human emotions and even the discipline, because we humans, we have emotions. Yes, every person has emotion. So and even the discipline, it is kind of different from the automated. So this is an AI that can go on its rules, that was designed for it to do, and does trading as it is designed for it to do it. Never misses a profitable setup. Obviously, that's one I've talked about. Then works even while you sleep or at work. I've even explained about that. So when we compare about the two, the manual trading and automated trading, we see automated trading is far better than manual trading. And another thing, we have seen that in manual you need at least the experience of 2 years and above, but here in automated trading, even though you start today at night, you will start making money. You don't need any experience, which is a credit to it. Then we have the emotional barrier. The common problem with manual trading, now we are back to manual trading. The problem with it, most people don't fail it because the market is unfair. Nara, they fail because human emotions make constant trading nearly impossible without structure. Yes, there's a time, you guys who have ever tried manual trading, it is kind of tiresome, because you will find that at some moment you have made profits and you feel like you can maybe go back to the market and make more profits. And when you go back there, you'll be hit, and you will lose the money that you have even already made. So that's what we are talking about. The problem with money trading. First and foremost, we have fear of loss. We have fear of loss. You hesitate too long, miss the entry, then watch the price move without you. So this is a scenario whereby you go set up. Okay, like you be on a PC, or maybe on your phone, you see the setup, the real setup, and you fear to risk, or you fear to lose for a loss. So you think maybe when you enter, the market will not go into your direction. But then you be there and you see the market going into your direction, the real direction that you wanted to maybe to put the market. So the fear of loss also make the people in money trading not to make money. Then we have something else, fear of missing out. You rush to trades, you rush into trades without proper analysis, chasing price that already moved. That's what I was telling you, that when you're trading manually, you will at some point think maybe you can trades without proper analysis. Without proper analysis, you feel like you can make more money, as they have told you that the market is growing and you also know suddenly the market drops and you make out miss out entries. Then time pressure, markets run 24/7, but you can't. As a human being, you have to sleep. While you sleep, opportunities pass, and so yes, as you're sleeping, the market is moving. So, meaning if you're using an automated trading, it will be there 24/7, even though you're sleeping. But here in manual, you have to control each and everything by yourself. So, you can see analysis paralysis. Too many charts, indicators, and opinions. You overthink every decision and end up doing nothing. So analysis paralysis simultaneously means you have made your research, you have made each and everything, you have understood each and everything, and some of you guys who are here participating have that habit of analysis paralysis. You want to know crypto, you have known it now, and you have studied more about crypto, you have studied how it operates, but still you're not deciding whether to start the business. So don't be this category of analysis paralysis, whereby you make the too many charts, indicators, and too much and too much. Everything is done, and you fail to set up. You end up doing nothing. It's very bad. That is very bad. That is very bad. Okay, so as we go on, we have the bridging the gap. What is trading bot? Hey, you can ask yourself. Someone is talking about crypto flow bot. What is a trading bot? A trading bot is a software program that automatically buys, sells crypto on your behalf, following preset rules and strategies without human emotions. So, meaning this is something which is an AI that can buy and sell automatically on your behalf. So, meaning you won't do anything, everything is left on the bot to do it. Then we have, think of it. Think of it like this. Imagine hiring the most disciplined, tirelessly, emotionless trader in the world, of which it can't happen because there is no person who is disciplined at the same time tireless, at the same time emotionless. There can't be someone who can do that. Someone who never sleeps, never panics, never gets greedy, and follows the structure, the strategy perfectly every single time. I don't think that there is such someone. The one thing that can make this, it is only a trading bot. That's what a trading bot does. Yes, it is like having a full-time employee who works 24/7, 365 days a year without asking for a raise or a day off. So he works from Monday to Monday, 365 days in a year, then he's not asking maybe for a rise or maybe a day off, ever on chats, ever making for you money, ever on, like you have got someone who's going to work for you and make for you some money without being greedy, without being emotional, without being like there. You understand? So scans the market. This is how it does it. It scans the market, identifies the opportunities, then checks the risk level, then executes the trade, then locks the profits. Your profits goes directly to your exchange, let's say Binance or maybe Bybit. So From there, we go to the solution, introducing crypto flow bot. So we have seen a trading bot, what it can do. So in that bot, we have crypto flow bot. Yes, a trading bot. An AI-powered automated trading system that connects your Binance or maybe Bybit account and trades on your behalf. So this is the bot that is going to trade for you now. The bot is called Crypto Flow Bot. Yeah, this is the bot that is going to trade for you. So it will trade 24/7. Then it doesn't have rest. It doesn't have. It doesn't need any day off. It will remain on the market, making for you money. So we have that. It is signal intelligence. Signal intelligence, structured market intelligence with a dual time frame validation identifies opportunities with consistency. Yes, it doesn't the mistake. It does not make mistakes. Yes, when it has identified the opportunity or maybe a signal, that's it, and it covers it with the shortest period of time, and it analyzes both the time frames and make the good entry. Another thing, we have automation engine. Choose a full automated workflow instead of handling every step manually. One click activation. So here, when you have $50 and maybe to $200, you can just turn on the button. You can just turn on the button of automation, and that's it all. Hey, you don't need to do any other thing. That is automatically enough. So this is the crazy part of it. You don't need to do much. Just turning on the automation button and everything does it on itself. Then they are telling you that Binance and Bybit API. Such API connection creates one streamlined operation workflow. Your funds stay in your exchange. Your funds stay in exchange, but they will reflect in Crypto Flow Bot after connecting it to Binance, or maybe after using API connection. So your actual funds remain in Binance. Then here there is like a profile showing you how these trades are being executed, how many have you made, then how much do you have as a balance. So it is going to like, it is a reflection of what is taking place in Binance or maybe Bybit. Then you use user control. Operate with practical controls. Choose full automation or maybe custom mode. You are never locked into one rigid path. So there's those people who always want to maybe to expand. They don't want to be on that on only one button of automation. They also want to customize their modes. So you can go on and customize for those people who have $300 to infinity. Yeah, you can customize your strategy and use Crypto Flow Bot. That's how simple it is. Then we have under the hood, how the bot executes trades. This is the most important thing. We have institutional grade automated trading powered by geo time frame validation, AI confidence scoring, and adaptive risk management. As we have seen, geo strategy bot, scalp mode, 5-minute entries validated against 15-minute trend. Then swing mode, 15-minute entries validated against 1 hour bias. Then both run smoothly. Then we have built-in risk engine. Regime adaptive ATL multiples 3.5x to 5.5x based on volatility. Auto stop loss placement using market structure with a 3% execution buffer. Then we have AI confidence scoring, 8-factor weighted system. Trend 25 points, entry 20 points, then risk reward 15p, then RSI 15, then volume 10, then divergence 5, then multiple TF 5, then regime 5. Then we have mode of flexibility. I'm going to summarize because I see the time is going. We have mode of flexibility. We have full auto versus custom mode. One platform, two operation styles. Choose the level of control that matches your experience and preference. First and foremost, I would advise that if you're new to the cryptocurrency, or maybe you are new into this system, use full automation or use full auto mode. They are telling you that this is based on built for users who want simplicity and automation, perfect for beginners and busy professionals. I think you have heard that. One-time click activation, you just tap there once and for all, and the system runs automatically, executing and making for you profits. Then the bot handles everything. You don't need to change you don't need to do anything within the bot. Meaning the bot handles each and everything. Then passive monitoring only. Passive, just you come, you see what is taking place, and you leave others for the robot. Then maximum time saving. Yes, it gives you more time to save. You don't need maybe to do anything about the bot, and you have just activated the automation, and you have gone into your other works. Then the bot remains on doing its work. Then we have idea for beginners. If you know you are a beginner, please, it is advisable for you to turn on full automation mode. And then we have custom mode, built for users who want more control over how the system behaves. Ideally for experienced traders. Yes, we have people who are been into the space of cryptocurrency trading, and they know how market moves, or maybe they know some strategies that they can put in the bot, and maybe for their own benefit to make some changes. So here, choose your own strategies. There are many strategies, but you can choose yours that you can maybe work on. And then we have Tango features on or off. So it is all about you. Set privilege and risk levels is also about you. Yeah, I think this is for experienced traders. So even though I don't explain active oversight and tuning, then we have idea of experienced traders. It is not this one. Custom mode is only for experienced traders. Then this one is for those guys who have just joined the platform and would like also to make some good money from cryptocurrency trading. So we have the trust and transparency. Here the big point comes now. Security and fund safety. Will my money be safe? If I invest today, my money will be safe. Your money is always in your hands. That is the very first point. And that's what I can assure you, that your money always in your hands. Crypto bot never holds accesses or withdraw your funds. Here's how it is security, how the security model works. So meaning the idea telling you that crypto bot will never maybe hold your money, or maybe access your money, or maybe withdraw some funds from your crypto bank, or maybe crypto exchange. Then we have what we call funds. Guys, am I still audible? Am I still audible? I think I'm audible. See? I also need the link. Senior Gui. To we matter, don't mind the spurs. We use it to spurs, even if nothing. Anyways, we are now seeing on the security and fund safety. How safe are you? Or maybe how safe are your funds? So first and foremost, we have funds in your exchange. Yes, you don't need to send your money to someone. Just the exchange that you opened using your ID with your face recognition. That's where the money keeps on. All your capital profits and earnings remain in your personal Binance or maybe Bybit account. The bot never touches your money. That is a very essential thing, that your money stays on Binance. No one will withdraw your money. Then trade trade only on API permissions. So through API binding, as I told you as an example that I gave you, that if you want your music to be played in a woofer, or through your phone, you have to connect through a Bluetooth. So to connect this CryptoFlow bot with your Bybit or maybe Binance account, you have to do what we call API. You have to allow it. Before allowing it, it can't maybe show you the profile that is taking in pressing to the crypto exchange like Binance or maybe Bybit. The bot connects via API with the read and trade permissions only. With the draw permissions are already disabled. No one can move your funds. So meaning this bot has no access to our funds. Another thing, disconnect anytime. You can disconnect the bot at any time, remove your funds, or shut down trading. You're already in full control. So this is your money, this is your business. No one will interfere with you. Yes, if you start, it is about your own will. You can start today, and maybe at midnight you want to withdraw your money. Yes, it is all about you. You can withdraw your money and sort out some things that are not sorted. Then 256 bit encryption. Bank level security protects your API connections. Then your data is encrypted in transit and at the rest. So then when we come here, proven results, live performance, and track records. Then we have real members from live. Let me repeat this. Proven results. So these are the results, I think, from the people who have been using CryptoFlow bot. Then live performance and track records. Real numbers from the live CryptoBot system. These stats are publicly visible on the website, then uploaded in real time and growing daily. So all-time win rate, as I told you, it is 85.5%, and they are telling you that it is improving. As I can maybe zoom out, you can see that it is 85%, 85.5 all-time win rate, and it is improving. Then we have profit rocked. How people have been able to profit within this space. We have profit rocked. It is 9,000 and plus dollars. This is amazing. This is amazing. As of this presentation, yes. Then we have total users. They are 4,000 and above. 4,000 and above. So meaning there are not few people that are using CryptoFlow bot. There are very many. Yes, as you can see, 4,000 are big number. So and it is still growing daily, as you can see. Then we have 3,000 and plus active users and growing daily. I won't explain much. Then verify these numbers live. All stats above are publicly visible and auto updated at cryptoflowsignals.com. Visit the website, see today's numbers in real time. These figures increase daily as the bot continues to trade. So you guys who want to visit the website, it is called cryptoflowsignals.com. Yes, cryptoflowsignals.com. Go there and check and see whether the number is still increasing. But then from what we have here, the number keeps on increasing each day. So it is only you who is still outside the bot. Then real-time user results. What users are experiencing, screenshots from real user accounts showing live earnings, trade history, and performance stats. These are everyday people, not professional traders. Everyday people means those guys who have just joined the cryptocurrencies, who don't have any knowledge about crypto, but have been able to use CryptoFlow bot to make some good money. So as we can see, when I enlarge like this, you'll be able to see that this account has earned $357.97 and above. So as you can see, the trend is going up. Yeah, this is how the interface shows. We have 93 win rate. Then when we come here, we have 86 win rate. Then if we come here, we have 100 win rate, no loss. As you can see, no loss. It is 0 losses. So that means that is 100 win rate. Then as you can see, Daily consistency, $10 already done what? Already covered. So when we come here, you guys, we are about to finish. We're about to finish. About to finish. Let me summarize. Then we have audience fit. Who this is for? Who this is for? So I think you guys who are here, all of these are designed to meet different users at different levels of experience, time variability, and capital size. Yes, complete beginners. People who want to be who want a guided entry into crypto robot, into crypto without years of chat experience. So anyone who is a crypto beginner, you can start. Busy professionals, you can also start, because this will give you the time freedom that you need, maybe to leverage other things. Then we have those people who have experienced traders, people who understand trading but want better execution and consistency. So experienced traders, we know that you can be experienced within something, but you still need at least this board to maybe to grasp more, from AI. Yes, to grasp more from the board, and you perfect your trading career. Then we have large capital users. People who value operational structure and scalable system behavior. I think you're getting my point. So those people who have large capital, or maybe they want like the investors, they want to invest, this is the best platform to invest your money. Then capital structure, choose your capital tier. Yes, choose your capital tier. Here it is very most important thing. Start at any level that fits your budget. Yes, we have those people who start with $50. We have those people who start with 10K dollars. So we have different people that start with different capital. So in your own capacity, you can choose the tier that you want to fall in. The starter, you can start with $50 to $299. Minimum to begin. Learn the system, serial traders, build confidence. So this is the money that you can put it maybe to test the system, to see how it works, and maybe to gain more momentum, to maybe to put in more money. So for a starter, you can start with 50 to 299. For the growth, if you want to grow now, you have tested and you have proven the system is working very well, and you want to grow, you bring 300 to 1,000. Yes, building momentum, see meaningful daily returns, and compound your earnings. So here you'll be compounding, momentum is increasing, and meaning returns, and the system is going on well. Then we have professional, yes, 1,000 to 5,000. Yes, serious market participants, these are the investors that I've been talking about. Maybe consistent income partition with structured risks. Then we have Elite 5,000 to 50,000. Then we have Executive 50,000 to infinity. Then institutional grade capital management, maximum scale with monitored oversight. I won't explain much. Then we have to be pricing model, pricing and getting started. So I've now told you from before the session that we have passed in. Now maybe someone is asking himself, is this bot for free? Because it can do everything that I needed, but is it for free? So this is the time maybe to know the pricing of the bot. Simple, transparent pricing, no hidden fees. You only pay for performance. $120 for annual activation. So you can activate your bot after every 1 year. Yes. You test, you activate, and you start enjoying money for each year, or maybe for every year you're enjoying. So think of it as paying your full-time employee their annual salary upfront. Once activated, the bot works 24/7, 360 days. no breaks, no excuses, no extra charges. So meaning after activating it, okay, this is 5 days, no breaks, no excuses, no extra charges, which is very okay. No profit equals no profit, no fuel charge. Then fuel wallet auto causes at $3 for 2 pump. Yes, when the fuel fee reduces to $3, you have to add on other fuel fee. Then we have wallet, fuel wallet. Deposit a minimum of 10 into the fuel wallet. This powers the port's operations. Fuel is only charged for profitable traders. A 20 out of 80 split, 20% fuel system, then 80 stays as your profit. So meaning they will charge you 20% fuel fee, then 80 remains as your profit. Then you keep 80% of every profitable trade. No hidden fees, no commissions, no surprises. I think you get my point. Then when we come here, to start it is 120 plus 10 fuel fees plus 50 minimum capital. So meaning you will need a total of $180 as a starter to begin. But I think you won't suffer, you will be making money because this is an automated system that is going to help you, even though you're a starter or maybe an experienced trader or maybe experienced trader, you already this. There are only $180. You can start the business. 120 for activation for 1 year, then 10 as a fuel fee, then plus 50 and above as your minimum capital. Minimum capital is 50 only. Yes, you can start with 50, or maybe you can say 50 is small. Maybe I will start with 1,000, 500, 300. It is all about your capacity, but the minimum is 120 in total. Then user journey, how to get started. A simple onboarding path takes you from registration to live structured market, participation in minutes. Then sign up. Someone who invited you here will give you the link to sign up. Register via the website or a referral code. A referral link will be provided by to you by the person who has invited you here. Then activation, it is just 120 per annum. Yes, so $120. Then fuel fee, deposit minimum for fuel wallet is 10. Then connect API. Yes, other things can be all done by you, by that someone who has brought you here, who is having experience, she's having experience. Then connect API, link your Binance or Bybit account to crypto flow bot. Then set preferences, choose spot or maybe features. You can put them both, or maybe choose one, features or maybe spot, because there is spot trades spot and features at the same time. Then choose model, select full automation or maybe custom mode. We saw this in previous, I won't go into it. Then monitor track performance from phone or laptop. This is very fine to track your performance. Yes, you see whether the thing that you paid is making for you some good money. Then we have decision clarity. Decision clarity. Objections and answers. Most hesitation comes from uncertainty. Time pressure or trust concerns. Here are structured answers to the most common questions. I have never traded before. Yes, someone comes into your inbox or maybe comes and tells you, you know what, me, I've never traded before. So here is your answer. That's exactly why structured system exists. The bot handles the trading, you just monitor. You don't need to do anything. Yes, over you have ever been in trading system, maybe it is your first time hearing about crypto, but you have your money, you want to start, it is okay. The bot will handle each and everything. Nothing you'll be able or in position to do. I'm too busy. Yeah, some people will tell you, I do other things of crypto, they need some time, but me, I'm always busy. Yes, it is okay. Me, I tell you that that's the point. The system is built for people with overloaded schedules. full auto mode does it all. So full auto mode, as long as you put it on, it is all about you to go where you want, or maybe in the office or what. So for you guys who are always busy, you just come to check. Just opening your phone and check, and you see how the bot is performing. I don't trust online opportunities. Here we get the answer as healthy skepticism. Yes, it is normal for someone to say, I don't trust online business. Yeah, it is healthy. Your funds stay in your exchange. Here, the funny part of it, your money remains in exchange, nothing you do. Nothing you do. So meaning do your due diligence. The platform is transparent. So as I've told you, everything is visible, nothing is hidden. You can go on and see what is taking place. Then there's another question or objection. Can't I just trade manually? Yes, you can trade manually, as I told you. Yes, but most people underestimate how much time how much time, discipline, and emotional control it requires consistently. Then what if I start small? Starting small is smart, because in the business we understand that if you start small, you can grow big. So here they're telling us that starting small is smart. It reduces the risk while you learn the workflow. You can always scale up, then scale up later. Yeah, you can start small with what you have. Then afterwards you do what? You maybe add more, and you keep on adding some good money. Then final thing, start your structured crypto pro journey, or maybe your crypto journey today. A modern crypto market workflow designed to reduce confusion, improve clarity, and help you participate with more structure and less friction. Activate your bot at $120 per year. I thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for attending. I thank you guys for attending. Thanks for being here. Maybe I'll be able to have one question, not more than one question. You can ask your question, then maybe I answer you. You put up your hand. I'll be able to choose you. Then I give you a mic. If you have any question. If there is no question, allow me say good night to you all. Thanks for attending. I appreciate your time. If you know you haven't activated your bot, you can go to someone who invited you to this meeting and ask him for the link to be able to help you join the space of cryptocurrency and start exercising cryptocurrency trading. I love you guys. Good night.